Hello, my name is Simon Dowes from Make It Easy For You. In today's video, we're going to discuss what Airdrop is in Control Center. To open the Control Center, swipe upwards. As you can see, Airdrop is turned on. Airdrop is used for sharing content from one device to another. So you can do it from an iPad to an iPad, iPad to iPhone, and iPad to a Mac. This is great if people want to share you contacts, pictures or videos without having to attach them via email. This is the Airdrop icon. To turn Airdrop on, it's already blue. To turn it off, tap on the toggle. This will then give you some options. On this page you will see receiving off, contacts only and everyone. Receiving off turns it off. Contacts only means that only people in your address book can send content via Airdrop to you. Everyone means that anyone in the public with their Airdrop on can see you.